Yo, 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 yo. Today is a little bit of a different video. I noticed I had one peppermint plant still looking nice and healthy out here, and I thought I'd make some peppermint oil to try and protect the trailer from mice over the winter, because if you use peppermint oil on cotton swabs and put them in the corners of your trailer and stuff, the mice don't come in or try not to enter. So what you do is you got to collect all these leaves, clean them up, dry them out, and then soak them in a carrier oil like olive oil, almond oil, and then there you go. So here's just my quick way to do it. Take your peppermint. This is a chocolate peppermint plant, and then we'll remove all the leaves from it. A little tip to remove these is just take a branch and start from the top and move your way down. Rather than bucking it this way, you can buck it this way and it knocks them off way easier. So start from the top. Again, it's hard to do with one hand on the camera, and then you just pull it down like this. Pull it through your fingers just like that, and let all the leaves fall. Kind of just butchered that, but you know what I'm talking about. You understand. Alright, so we gave it a haircut. I didn't chop all of it off just so I can keep regrowing it inside. This is what we got. So now we'll take this inside using like a salad spinner or some type of strainer and really clean this off. And then we really want to dry it before we add the oil to it as well. So let's go do that. I'm just using cold water. Make sure you're getting all those bugs and everything out of here. You just want the leaves, right? It's super strong too, holy smokes. This bathroom's just... And after you've done this, you want to make sure you dry these up before you mix it with the oil, so that we're not getting any water in the oil mixture, right? So put them on like some parchment paper or some drying rack. Alright, I'll see you at the next step. After you strain them and clean them, you just want to throw it on a flat surface in front of something warm. Let them dry up before chopping them up and combining them with the oil. Alright, now that they're all dried up, I've got my oil ready, I've got my jar ready. You don't want to grind it up right down to nothing. You're kind of just wanting to open up the leaves just a little bit, and the stems and stuff, right? So if there's anything that's inside, it'll be infused with the oil of your choosing. I'm just using vegetable oil because that's what I have. You can use almond oil, olive oil. Now, want to take our jar, fill it up with the leaves. Now that we've got the leaves in the jar, you want to fill it up with oil just so that the oil is just above your leaves. Let's seal that up. And now, anywhere from the next, depending on how strong you want to make it, right? The next 5 to 30 days is the length you want to infuse this for. So we are looking for a strong smell. So I'm probably going to keep it in here for at least 12 days, similar to my drying schedule. And yeah, there we go. Once you're ready to use it, you just have to strain it out using something like that and put it into a dropper bottle, or just keep it in a bottle like this, or do whatever you please with it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching my video on how to make your own fresh peppermint oil. Check the links below. Check the community out. Peace, love, and cheers.